In this video, what we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and get our color pencil boot camp all set up. So we're going to set up our papers so that in the next video you can just follow along with the instruction. So basically what we're going to do is we are reconstructing these worksheets right here. So there is a variety of different techniques and different areas that you need to have labeled. So the first thing we're going to do is label a new sketch page. Go ahead and write the date and then your artist's signature. All right, so the idea that we're working with is that we are going to be building up really light layers with our color pencil and making those transparent layers build up to make more solid and opaque layers. So the first thing that we're going to do is this number one area is going to be flat value. So in this spot, if you want to, you can use a tracer or a ruler, but you are going to make 3 shapes that are about 1 inch by 1 inch, and they could be circles, they could be squares, they could be rectangles, they could be leaves, which is what I actually had on my worksheet. So make 3 areas. They don't have to be measured, but like I said, they are about 1 inch by 1 inch, just to give you like a reference of an everyday object. It's about the size of a quarter. So before you move on, what you need to do is you need to label them A, B, and C. So this is going to be where we apply flat value. Number 2 is going to be flat value color mixing. So we are going to use the same colors that we have up here to mix. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4 different boxes in this area, or circles or cups or leaves. So I am going to do a circle. All right, and then underneath them, I'm going to be writing a formula, A plus B. Then I'm going to do A plus C. Then I'm going to do B plus C. Then I'm going to do A plus B plus C. So 4 areas, flat value color mixing, and the formulas. All right, next we're going to go on to number 3. Number 3 is transitions, or our transitions. So in this box, or this area right here, you are going to make, I believe it's 10 different transitions. So these are going to be kind of longer, skinnier boxes. Again, you don't have to use a ruler. You can just freehand it. I'm just using my ruler really for straight edges, not necessarily for measurement. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, got it. All right, the next thing I am going to do is I am going to make a longer, skinnier area that's going to go across the whole page. So this is number 4, and this is going to be color spectrum. So this is similar to a color wheel. We're going to be putting the colors in color order. Again, this is a long, skinny box. If you're the measuring type, it looks like it's about 1/4 of an inch, maybe 1/2 an inch. And here's the important part. I am going to start with RV, which stands for red, violet, red, red, orange, orange, yellow, orange, yellow, yellow, green, green, blue, green, blue, blue, violet, violet, and then red, violet. We're gonna put some arrows here. One goes that way, one goes that way. Notice I have red, violet at both ends, because if I were to actually connect this, it would be like a color wheel. And then number 5, I'm almost out of areas, but I'm gonna make it mixing complements. So this requires you to make 3 boxes, 3 kind of long, skinny boxes. And we're going to label red, green, yellow, violet, blue, orange. Just as a note, complements are opposites on the color wheel. So that will get you set up for the next step of your color pencil boot camp. So once you have that done, go ahead and start the actual tutorial video.